But everybody. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about pure masculine expressions. Okay. Um, Now this thing's always on a sale, which is good. It's good. The price here is good. It's nice. This crazy, but this is all right, and it's always on a good sale. The reason I'm talking about this one is, I mean, there's quite a few of them now I've seen. I've noticed, mate. But I quite like it. It gives me these things that I don't usually get. All right. Let's check it out. Okay, so if you're going to thingy, just load up a character. You can use it for girls or boys. Doesn't don't matter. Alright? It don't matter. And the reason I like this is because it has a top and a bottom. If you see a morph pack and it doesn't control the top and the bottom, in all honesty, I wouldn't get it anymore. You want that control. You want the control of a different top, different bottom. Alright? Now Ari likes both together. That's why we hate Ari. Alright? He's a bastard. But look at this, man. You can do the full face if you want, which is pretty cool. Okay. Remember, subtlety. Subtlety is everything. But, sometimes you like the mouth, but the eyes, there's different things that you might like or whatever, mate. And that's why the power comes in with the lower and the upper. The upper you can get like a kind of a, you can go subtly and you can start doing the things that you like. Let's take, what is this? No. But they do have a couple of shapes which I like. And the rest you can kind of make yourself, which is pretty cool. Which is pretty cool. Like if you got something like this, you see, and now you can get away from that. You can start. Let's see. You can give yourself a lot of pain. But you do have some nice flexibility with this pack, which I like. Let's see. Do we have one with the eyes open? Give me an eyes open. There we go. Look at this. Look at this, Ari. You're gonna start going a little bit crazy here. Start refining these kind of things. Start getting a bit of that anger in there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. He really angry. He cray. He cray, bruh. But I kind of like it. I don't know. It's something's about it. It's a basic pack. It's small. There's not a lot to it, but if you're looking for, exactly what it says, pure masculine expressions. Okay, it's an angry pack. If you're looking for something to get some nice angry faces in or whatever, I mean, this is pretty cool, and you can go pretty down subtle. Let's go back. The thing about expressions is, go back and forth, see what you're trying to get at. Get things. Let's see. Get a cool little expression going. There we go. Start getting something natural. Like when you push something too much, it doesn't look natural. Look at this. You start getting this kind of a worried, angry kind of a feel to it. And this is nice. This is quite nice. A little bit of a brow in. And this is what I like about this pack. You can, ooh, look at that. You can start getting these kind of nice things. Up and bottom. Top and bottom. 100% go for those. And this one, like I said, man, it's always on quite a nice deal. And there's a couple of them. I wish I would just bundle them all up into one. I don't know, man. I guess, the more you make, the more cash you make. I don't know. It's the world, isn't it? But I like it. For what it is. I like this one a lot. What say you, Ari? Shut up, Ari. No one cares what you say. But look at this. You can get some nice things going on there. Go yourself, Ari. No one cares what you say. You see this? These are the kind of things that you look for. These subtle expressions. There we go. Something's not right there. It's the fear, or it's something. It's this melancholy kind of what's going on. Expressions are a crazy thing, yeah. They're a crazy thing. And they're not easy, because the thing about an expression is everybody tries to make expressions pop. You don't. Expressions are subtle. They're subtle, except if you all out. But those moments, Man, that's a difficult one to capture those moments perfectly. It's a moment. It's not a frame, an expression. That's where people get it wrong. Something like this, what it is, what it is. And that's it. Subtlety is the key. If I hit something like iray, and we can have a look, and you can see, man, it's a subtle pose. It's a subtle pose, but it tells a story. You know, if you can look into somebody's face or eyes or something, and you want to know more, there's something behind there. That's when you win. That's when you win, and that's when your expression works. When you can look at a picture and look at the face of somebody, and you think you can find something there. There's a sadness, there's a happiness, there's a wondering, there's something there. Then you win your expression. It's not about. It shouldn't be so evident. Evidence is very easy. Evidence is very easy. So you know, if you do something like, let's just get this. Where is this? Lawrence. Lawrence. You know, if you do something like this, you know, it's evident. It's too evident. And sure, I mean, it works. It works or whatever. But you see what I mean? There's something. There's something if you take that one and if you take this one. There's something there that's better. It tells a better story or something. So, alright, mate, just check out a little. Just check out a little bit. Expressions are a difficult thing, and the trick to them is subtlety. Subtlety. Get something subtle going. You don't need to go all cray cray. You don't need to go all cray cray. It doesn't work like that. See, that's for me. That's too. It's too much. Look, look. It's too much. Actually, it's all right. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Actually, it's pretty cool. But you know what I'm getting at, right? When it's too. There we go. There we go. Like something like that. I don't know what's up with the textures on this dude, but you know, subtlety. There. That's. It's not nice. It's not nice. Something like this. So the ones they give you are pretty cool. You know, benched up all the way. They don't work for me. They don't work. It's too much. But if you take these and you use the bottom and the top and you go quite subtle with some of these things, man, I think you can get some really nice expressions with this one. I really do. So I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I quite like it. And it's simple. That's the thing. There's not a million expressions. You've got a few and you can dial them in and you can work with them. There's not a billion, 183 expressions, 54,000. So you're not sitting there for hours. You're sitting there for a little bit of time, and you can take your time to get the right shot, the right expression. All right, my love. All right. Well, I hope you have a great weekend. I hope this helps. And it's not just about this expression pack. It's about all of them. Make sure that you get the upper and lower faces. Make sure that they actually do them correctly. This one is actually pretty cool. It's simple, and there's not many, but they give you enough to work with, and I like that. That's pretty cool. Things don't have to have a million things, and they give you enough here actually that, man, it actually makes sense. So I quite like this. I know there's a million more of these packs. You don't need them all. You don't. That's just to get coin, isn't it? Toss the coin to the witcher. But you know, get one or two that you like, and you sort it. You don't need every expression pack under the sun. Anyway, I hope they help, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys.